Hello everyone, I was actually facing some network issues with WSL2 and then I have solved the issue. So I thought that I need to create a video tutorial about it so that you don't face this issue anymore. So let me show you. If I ping google.com, here you can see that it is stuck here, and to be honest it will never work. So how I have solved this issue? Let me show you. Here you can see that I have got temporary failure in name resolution. I know you are also facing same issue. So let me show you the solution. Okay, so first of all, we need to open our PowerShell and then we need to run some command. Here you can see that my notepad. First of all, we need to run this command WSL list. So WSL list command will actually show you the distros which are using. In my case, I am using Kali Linux as my default distro, but you may also use Ubuntu or any other distro. It doesn't matter. In today's video, I am going to show you with Kali Linux as I am using Kali Linux. But if you are using Ubuntu or any other distro, don't worry. You just need to replace Kali Linux with your distro name. Suppose you are using Ubuntu, then you need to write Ubuntu instead of Kali Linux. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you need to check the version of your WSL. So if I paste it here you can see that my current WSL version is 2, and that's why I am getting the connection or network issue. To solve this issue, we'll need to downgrade the version. So to downgrade this version, you need to use this command. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here, but as I am not using Ubuntu, I'll replace it with Kali Linux as I am using Kali Linux as my distro. So I'm going to write here Kali Linux. Okay, and I'm going to set it to 1. It will take some time. You need to wait here. Alright, done. Now let's check our version by using this command. Here you can see that our Kali Linux WSL version is 1. Alright, now if I open WSL from here, and now if I try to ping google.com, there you can see that I'm getting the response here. So in this way you can fix your network issue. You just need to simply downgrade from WSL2 to WSL1. Easy.